Yes, it broke, guys. My Milwaukee hose broke. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so you can buy more tools like this. Make more to review videos. That's the way you to rose the platform by subscribers and likes. So help out this channel by doing so. Apparently there is no videos out there for this defect from this vacuum. I guess you're supposed to know by yourself what to do when this happens. There's a few videos of other brands or other generic videos, but not Milwaukee video. I did think that you would have to take all this apart, but I guess not. So let's go and try to fix this problem. I did. This is one of the tools that I use the most. Apparently it just snapped from here. So we'll go ahead and try to fix it. Alright, so the first thing that we're gonna have to look at here is a really tight space. You do see that in here I have a lock and unlock. I'm gonna try and yank it out, see if we can take this out with the unlock position. So there, that's the lock, and that is the unlock position. So it's really hard. I guess it did pop out. It's the way it is. I guess it was in there really well. Is just basically a hole, and that's where it latches in. So apparently you guys can just replace this and get on with your day out. So I just have to screw it back in. I tried to screw it back in, but it wouldn't. So usually what you do on something like this, you would have to get the piece out that's in there and pretty much cut the piece up until basically you have to inspect the hose, make sure there's no holes or gaps or anything, and then just cut the hose basically and put it in there. I was gonna go ahead and put it in there because there's nothing wrong with this. There's nothing in there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and thread it in there, see if it'll thread. Alright, I guess so. You just have to push it in and re-thread it in there like really hard. That's the only way to do it. Thread it all the way in there. Alright. We got a little bit more to go. You guys can see in there. Alright, so that's as far as it's going to go in there. So that's one way of fixing it. The other way, like I said, you do have to cut obviously the parts where you have the holes, and then you have to re-threaten. So I guess if you just keep pulling this, eventually this is going to pop out again. Yeah, it's not going to go any further in. It's going to go ahead and leave it like that. It seems like it's screwed in there. That's what you do to get this back in there. It's nice. Obviously don't pull on this too hard. Learn from my experiences. Not necessarily the best ones. You have to line it up with the unlock position. Push it down and then turn to the lock position. And then you're good to go basically. So yes guys, that's it. Just a short video. There's a lot of you that don't know how to do that. Same thing with this one. This one, it is a screw on as well. This does screw in there just like the other one piece. So these pieces, just to keep in mind, just to tell you guys, these pieces are standard for a Milwaukee. So if you guys have a hose that it's bad, make sure you guys don't throw away these two pieces, because these pieces are not universal. You do have to buy them from Milwaukee. This hose, it is universal. You guys could just buy one, maybe buy a longer one, made from Milwaukee or from another brand. So keep that in mind, guys. Just a quick video. Just want to show you guys my quick fix for this brushless vacuum. This does, it should work for the vacuums from Milwaukee. So guys, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon. Love this vacuum.